Okay, so it's morning and it's kind of bright, so that's why my eyes are real squinty. We'll try and recreate everything from yesterday and what I did last night. And in one of my videos I will show you my nighttime routine, but what I did was just quickly did some cornrows in it just so I could protect the ends and so it won't be just totally matted in the morning, because again, this whole transition thing really just have to protect that permed hair to that natural hair, where it's like really could be a breaking point there. So I'll just fluff it up a little bit, and my hair likes heat, and I won't be flat ironing it or putting in any curlers, but I will use the warm air from the blow dryer, and that's how I get some body too. I have a lot of blow dryers. Deciding which one I'll use today. Don't want to use this because it's too wide and I don't need air in the area where I can't control and know what's going on. So I'm going to use this one. It also has attachments, but I like that it's small and I can be in control. What I'm doing here, this is sort of letting me know where I have body and where I'm not going to have much movement. That helps me to determine what products I need to put in my hair. If I don't have much body there, I'm not going to put much more shea butter in that area. And I also know that if I do mist it at all, to also leave that area alone, because then I'm gonna have a little bushiness going on there, and I'm going for a wild tame kind of bush until then I get just out of control. So you'll see when I'm using this that it's just it's just going to distribute air right in the area where I'm actually taking a look at. If I have like the one that's pretty wide, it's doing something there and I can't really see that. So this gives me more control. And since you saw it yesterday, you know what it is that I am going for. Let me see if you can see the top. How it's just pretty full. And again, as you saw it move with the blow dryer, that's letting me know, okay, it's going to get back there. And again, what products you need to use. Because when you start this, you really don't know what all is going to work. Some things may work one day, don't work the next day, but it's mostly because you just have to give each area what it needs. Typically, a hairstylist will do the same thing to, again, your entire head, but your entire head doesn't need the same thing. See, so the fact that I know I have body, what's going to happen is by the time I get dressed, this is going to fall. I'm going to be able to shake it where I want it to go. And I will then have my look from yesterday. Because again, I have a lot of body, so it's going to fall and do just what I wanted to do. Fill in where I needed to fill in. And as you can see, it's starting to fall. And it's going to make its own little music in a little bit. Dang, that little fly is still hanging on, isn't it? Oh, there's another one. I say this all the time. I'm not doing individuals anymore. All that glue. Need to stick with natural eyelashes, and I'm doing natural hair, putting stupid eyelashes on. That's funny. As you can see, it's coming down, so I don't want to touch it anymore. Give it a break for a few minutes, so I'll let you see it before I walk out. See what we got.